and welcome to today's video, which will be a little Ulta fall haul. So if you don't know, Ulta is having their fall haul event where they have a bunch of things on sale. When you're seeing this video, the sale will be ending in 2 days on October 3rd. So I obviously went to Ulta and went a little bit crazy, and I figured why not show you all what I got. So if you're interested in seeing that, then let's get started. So I'm not gonna go in any order. I'm just gonna sort of sift through the things that I got and just pick up whatever is speaking to me. First up, I got the Soap & Glory Flake Away Scrub. So you guys know, I love Soap & Glory. I love their Magnificoco line. That's like my favorite. I love the scrub from that line, and I also love the Smoothie Scrub. So why not try another one? This was on sale for $9, so I decided to pick it up. It smells so good. It smells like a expensive perfume. I can't put my finger on what perfume it would be, but these scrubs are seriously incredible, and they are definitely a must for the winter. If you're anything like me, I have super duper dry legs, so using a scrub is a must, and these, they get the job done, but they're not like too abrasive at all. Next up, I have the L'Oreal Paris Vive 8-Second Wonder Water. This actually was not on sale. I just needed a backup. I'm almost done with the current bottle that I have, and I saw this and I decided to pick it up because I happened to see it, so why not? This is normally like $8 or $9 though, so it's not really too expensive to start out with, and this I'm absolutely obsessed with. It makes your hair so shiny and so smooth, and it's a must. So I know that in hauls, a lot of people like to keep things in the packaging or like put it back in the packaging, but I mean, guys, you know me, like I can't help but open things when I get them and try them out. So I got 2 shades of the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder. I got the shade light and medium. I actually don't think these were on sale either, but everyone has been talking about these on Instagram and on YouTube, and I just decided why not, I would get them while I was there. So I tried these out once. I don't really have a first impression on them. I tried them out by themselves to see how they would be just as like powder foundations, and they were pretty good. They gave like a solid medium coverage, and they could be built up, but I do want to try these again and see how they actually set the makeup, because I heard that these are awesome for setting liquid foundation. And also, can we just talk about this cute packaging? I mean, this baby pink, ugh, I just love it. So NYX had buy one, get one 50% off. I was planning to only get 2 things, but then, you know, I wanted to get a third, so I had to get a fourth to get the buy one, get one 50. So the first thing I really wanted to try was the NYX Lingerie Push-Up Long Lasting Lipstick. And by accident, I got 2 in the same shade. So I got the shade, what's it called? Bedtime Flirt, but I wanted to get this shade and the shade Push Up. So that's the shade Bedtime Flirt. It's like this really pinky nude. It's really, really pretty. And I did try this out for like a second, and I really liked it. So one of them I am going to exchange for that Push Up shade. But so far, I like these. And then the other 2 things I got are brow products. So the NYX Fill in Fluff Eyebrow Pomade Pencil was actually an Allure Best of Beauty. So I just decided to pick this up and try it. And I got the shade Espresso, which I think will work for me. And then I also got the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Brow Setter. I'll be honest with you guys, I did try this and it was the problem with it is that I like just like a lot more hold. This gave like a light amount of hold, and I like a lot of hold in my eyebrows. So this didn't really work for me, but this I haven't tried yet, so I'll keep you updated. Next up, I got the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Primer. This is actually a product I have not taken out of the box yet, and I have not tried, but I believe this was originally like $12, and I got it, I want to say for $8 or $9. The entire Pretty Fresh line is on sale for 30% off, and I've heard a lot of people love this, so I decided to pick it up. I absolutely love, where is it? Their Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist, and you guys already know how I feel about the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer and the foundation, so why not finish up my collection and get the primer. Next up, I got a few products from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild was 40% off everything, which is crazy because Wet n Wild is already crazy affordable. So I got their Mega Glow highlighting powder. I feel like everyone loves this powder, and for some reason I've never tried it. I got it in the shade Golden Flower Crown. So it's a really nice sort of like champagne-y gold, and I'm really excited. And actually, when I was purchasing this, the person at the register was like, oh my God, you're gonna love this. Like, have you tried it? And I was like, for some reason, I've never tried this, but everyone loves it. And she was like, girl, you are going to love it. So I'm super excited. And then I got 2 more shades in the Wet n Wild lipsticks. If you watched my best makeup under $5 video, I spoke about another shade of this lipstick in Never Nude. So I decided to get 2 more shades. I got the shades Bare It All and Skinny Dipping. So I will swatch them both for you guys now. So here is Bare It All. It's also like, it actually looks very similar to the NYX one. It's like a pinky nude, and then Skinny Dipping is definitely more of like a blue toned sort of like mauve color. And then the last 2 items are also lippies. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I am actually addicted to nude lips and just lip products. But anyways, I got the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I got this also because it was an Allure Best of Beauty winner, so I was like, why not? And I think this was only like $3. And then I got the new Morphe Madison Beer collection lip gloss in the shade Venus. And I was just curious about this. I'm not necessarily, I mean, I'm not a Madison Beer fan, but I'm not necessarily a fan. Like, I didn't get it for her. I think her fan base is like much younger than me. But obviously I think she's like a gorgeous girl. But I saw this gloss color and I was like, yes, that is me. It's shiny, it's glossy, and it doesn't look like it's sheer at all. It looks like it's gonna be like right in the middle of being opaque and sheer. So yeah, I needed this. And again, the shade is Venus. All right, that is it for this haul. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet with the shopping these days. We have the holidays coming up and all of like the holiday sets. So I'm really trying to save my money for all of that stuff. But anyways, I really hope you liked this haul. Please let me know what you picked up or what you plan to pick up at the Ulta Fall Haul event. And if you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.